Shreya Bose, which date
Yes,
you
sir.
are having your interview?
Sir, I have my interview on 23rd, morning 9:30.
Acha. Good. In which place?
Sir, Kolkata.
Acha. Kolkata, which part of Kolkata?
Sir, it's on Park Street.
Oh, great. Baba, it's a very busy street. Zonal office is there. Oh, oh.
Yes, sir. It's in front of St. Xavier's College.
Acha, very good, very good. Excellent. Can you please tell me about Shreya Bose?
Yes, good evening, sir. I am Shreya. I am from Kolkata, West Bengal. I have done my graduation in economics from Ashutosh College, Calcutta University, and then I have done my master's in applied economics from Christ University, Bangalore. I have five members in my family, including my parents and my brother and sister-in-law. And my hobbies included reading a book and cooking. I have also done a summer internship with Exide Industries in their supply chain management.
Can you elaborate about your internship experience in Exide management? Exide
Yes, sir.
batteries? Is it
Yes, sir.
Exide?
Exide. Yes,
Tell
sir.
me.
Yes, sir. So I was a business analyst intern. So I have had my internship for about 1 month. There I have done a project which was on man allocation in a warehouse we were doing because at that time when I was doing my internship, Exide Industries were merging their warehouses. So they were in that situation. So our project was on that.
What is a warehouse?
So warehouse is the place where supply sector companies like Exide Industries, they keep their batteries or their products to go from there to different delivery section points.
You were using a word supply chain management.
Yes, sir.
Can you elaborate on this?
Supply chain management it includes from the factory to the warehouse to the delivery point. So it oversees and optimize all the flow of goods. Uh, like it's a process. It
Mhm,
it includes procurement, it includes production, it includes distribution, logistic, everything.
mhm. So you were seeing Exide batteries. Can you
Yes.
name a few other companies, famous companies in India producing batteries like Exide?
Mm. So mostly it's a monopoly for Exide Industries, but
Acha. No, no, there is one Amco, something like that. Na?
sir, that's Aramco is there,
Yeah,
but
one
they
minute.
are not probably
Competitor.
like competitor. They are all small battery production houses of India.
Mhm. Exide is there. Yeah, of course, others they don't produce this car batteries and all. Na? Amara
Yes.
Raja is there. Amara Raja is competitor. They are your competitors,
Yeah.
and they are your competitors. Amara Raja. Then others are they don't produce this. For example, this Eveready industry. Eveready also they do it. No.
No,
Yeah.
sir, there is Luminous Power, Amaraja, everything, but Exide has the different varieties. That varieties not all others industries
Mm.
does.
Mm.
And also, sir, Exide exports batteries globally.
No, no.
That made them.
For your information, I will tell you. Here
Yes,
I
sir.
find Amara Raja is
Yes,
doing
sir.
much better than your Exide. I mean, in terms of market price,
Yes, sir.
Ma-
Maybe recent. Yes.
Amara Raja's price, battery price is one 1342.35. Then our Exide is 495.80. What is
Hmm.
it? Market price. You mean, I think they are talking about market price of shares, perhaps, I don't know.
Yes, sir.
So,
Share price, and also
share
there
price.
is a, yes, sir.
So there are some companies like that. Doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yeah,
that
I
was
mean,
about the batteries.
yes, sir.
Now, coming to banking,
Yes, sir.
what do you want to do in banking? What is your main degree subject you told me?
Sir, applied economics, like economics graduation and applied economics masters,
अच्छा
like
अच्छा
mostly
अच्छा ठीक है
full economics.
fine. So how do you find your job in banking? What will be your role?
Sir, as a PO, my job role will be mostly in branch banking. There, I have to communicate with the consumer. So, I would have target like opening accounts. I have to sell our loans, our products, and also some para banking activities that also happens in bank, like investment management and all these things. But mostly it's a branch banking job role.
Hmm. Good. What do you understand by fintech companies?
Sir, fintech companies are companies that leverage technology to provide financial stability, like financial activities. There are some companies like PayPal and Stripe.
What is it you have prepared related to banking?
Sir, I have prepared that question you have sent in our group, and also I was preparing those 100 questions of our economics
Mhm.
students that they might ask,
Mhm.
and little current affairs.
Sure. For having sent you those questions, I think I should ask a few questions from that. Please tell me what is macroeconomics, microeconomics.
Sir, microeconomics are the economics in the household and individual level, and macroeconomics when we talk in the macro or bigger perspective, maybe from our organizational level or a country's level.
What is BOP?
So BOP means balance of payment. So
What
it's
is
comprehensive record
what
of
is a
country
what is a
economic
budget?
transaction with
What
the
is a
rest of the
budget?
world.
What is a budget?
Sir, budget is a financial plan of any organization or maybe a countries where we expected the revenue or expenses for a specific period of time, mostly a financial year.
What is SEZ?
SEZ,
Hmm.
I don't know, sorry.
Special economic zone.
Oh, special economic zone. Yes, sir. That
Expand
requires.
expand FDI and FII.
Sir, FDI is foreign direct investment and FII foreign institutional investment.
What is fiscal deficit and what? Yeah. What is the fiscal deficit of India now?
Sir, fiscal deficit of India as of 2024 is 20.78 billion, because our export rose around 4%.
Mhm. What is inflation? What is current rate?
Sir, current rate of inflation in India is 5.5%. Our inflation is the rate at which general level of price and goods services rise.
What is purchasing power parity?
Sir, purchasing power parity is the method we use for the cost of standard of living, mostly.
Hmm. Is it sufficient?
No, no, sir, it's not sufficient. I will tell more.
Yeah, purchasing power parity. What is purchasing power parity? Investopedia says purchasing power parity is a popular macroeconomic analysis
Hmm.
metric used to compare economic productivity and standard of living between countries. You told that. Good. That is
Hmm.
sufficient. You involved these 2 points. That will be
Okay, sir, sir,
better.
I will leave.
Good. Very happy. Yeah. Next question. Who is preparing the budget in our country?
Sir, our financial finance minister, she proposed the budget, and the entire financial advisory prepare, and Ministry of Finance prepare the budget.
What is Z factor of economics?
Uh, Sorry, sir, I didn't understand.
What is Z factor in economics?
Sir, I don't know. Sorry.
Z score Z score is measured. Z score is a statistical measurement that describes a
Mhm.
value's relationship to the mean of a group of values. Think something to do with statistics.
Yes, sir.
So I am giving that link in our WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir.
अब बात में पढ़ लीजिए. Good.
Mhm.
What are the essential features of liberalization?
So liberalization was mostly done to open our trade to the entire world.
What
So
is the
that was,
what is the
it was
advantage of it?
economic freedom.
Disadvantage of it. What is the advantage of it? Disadvantage of it.
Sir, advantage is obviously we will have more exposure to the entire world. It's very good for the globalization. It will have more economic growth for our countries, and also disadvantage, like if we have trade, like open trade, then it's bad for our own producers, like our country's businessmen. They will lose their business. People will be more into the foreign good products.
Will your parents be happy if you get a job in some other state in the country? How will they
Yes.
react? Will they be supportive?
Yes, sir, they will be supportive because for the last 2 years also I am out of my home. They were very supportive of my decision of doing masters in other state. So they will be
Hmm.
happy for my job also.
What is the tagline of our bank?
Sir, digital at the fore and human at the core.
Your perfect banking partner. Na?
That's also a tagline. So I got a little confused with that.
Yeah, yeah. Why should we hire Shreya Bose?
Sir, as a person, I'm very analytical mind. I have a very analytical mindset. So these roles requires a lot of analysis. In that case, I would be perfect. And also, I am very adaptable in nature. My job role requires to be me in any part of the country. So I'll be adaptable in a new culture very shortly. And also, I'm a very quick learner. So I will learn the banking system very quickly, and I will contribute to Federal Bank's success.
Hmm. What is NFC in terms of communication?
NFC in terms of
NFC, near field
near
communication.
field communication. It's a short range communications where we
Yeah.
don't like wireless communication technology.
Tell me a few points about the recent Monetary Policy Committee meeting.
So in the recent monetary policy committee for the 10th consecutive time, the repo rate being 6.5%, they did not reduce it because the inflation is also more than 5%, because RBI's target is 2 at 4%. So that because the inflation rate is high, they didn't reduce the repo rate. um, that was that.
So, what is the meaning of the term bank is closed or failed? What is the reading of for a bank's failure? What will happen to the monies deposited by customers?
If a bank failed.
Hmm.
Sir, I don't have an idea.
So, what is the failure of a bank? A bank not being able to meet its liabilities.
Liability. Yes.
It's because its funds are blocked. Whatever it has lent
Bankruptcy.
is
Yes.
not being received.
Hmm.
But whatever it has to be paid, but it is not able to meet its liabilities. Then
Yes, sir.
it will be when it is declared insolvent or when it is wound up, it is
Hmm.
called closed. Bank is closed.
Acha.
In which case, the depositors will be getting back a refund up
Acha.
to rupees 5 lakhs per individual in a bank.
Okay.
Okay, that is governed by DICGC,
Okay, sir.
Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation, headquarters Mumbai, and chairman is Mr. M.D. Patro, one of the deputy governors of RBI,
Hmm.
and they will be giving the money back to the depositors.
Okay, sir.
So, what are the three big public sector banks?
Sir, three biggest public sector banks: State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, and also one more is
Bank of Baroda.
Bank of Baroda. Union Bank was also there, sir.
You can tell Union Bank also. Both are more or less same.
Okay, sir.
Good, you have done. Acha, expand UPI.
Unified Payment. I Unified Payment Identification. Sorry, sir.
Interface.
Interface identification.
Expand IMPS.
Sir, IMPS, I don't know.
Immediate payment service.
Immediate payment service. Okay, sir.
Immediate payment service. You are aware you can be posted anywhere in India.
Yes, sir.
How will you manage to get us 100 SB accounts or CASA accounts within 1 month?
Sir, within 1 month, if I have to have 100 CASA account, that would be a really big target for me and my branch, but we will try our best so as much as we can get for the branch. So we will do different type of marketing through digital marketing. We will target our young audience, maybe social media, and also we'll do some collaboration with institution like maybe educational institution or other financial institutions, so promote our product so that we can have accounts.
Yeah, everything fine, but the first statement, it is a difficult thing that need not be told.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, it is very correct only. Last question. Tell me
Yes.
one recent financial news you have come across.
Recent financial news, sir, this RBI report only I come across.
No, no, every day you are reading newspaper, na?
Yes, sir.
Economic Times or Business World.
Yes, sir, you send, I
Yeah,
check.
anything that you remember, you can tell. Just
Okay,
turn that page and then tell me what is the important news that you have read. But for that, unless you read, you cannot do it. For
yes.
example, I am opening Economic Times now.
Hmm.
To be frank, after sending it to you, I have not read it. It's because we have one work or other. That is the reason. So now,
Sir, one
mm,
thing I remember, Kotak Mahindra Bank's share price is falling. That I
acha.
have.
But don't tell anything negative also.
Okay, sir.
But I don't know whether they will ask this question because you are not from Gujarat. If you are from Gujarat, they can ask about gift city and all.
हाँ
But
हाँ.
it's okay. Not necessary for you. Which is the famous newspaper in Kolkata? English
सर
newspaper.
आनंद बाजार पत्रिका.
Or English newspaper?
इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया.
Anand Bazar Patrika is a Bengali paper only, na?
यस सर.
Oh. There used to be one when I was in Kolkata long back, about 50 years ago. We had a paper known as, if I'm not wrong, Amrita Bazar Patrika. आजकल नहीं है.
No, sir, this Anando Bajar Patrika is there for a very long time, maybe since independence, more than independence. So
Amrita
if you
Bazar
come,
Patrika.
and no, sir, Anando Bajar Patrika.
Oh. Then what about Telegram? Is there any English magazine from there?
So Telegram is also there, but mostly I see Times of India, people buys Times of India. Telegram is also there, obviously.
Yeah, yeah. Here, as you rightly say, I am searching that page paper fully, but I am not. Nothing interesting comes. That is the problem. Nothing interesting comes before my eyes. NCLT rejects REC's plea against Global Metal over date of default. क्या है पता नहीं. Heavy rains delay in harvest to mm, keep onions pricey this Diwali. That's a good news. Heavy rains are there. There is delay in harvesting. This is pushing up the price of favorite vegetable onion. Correct?
Mhm. Yes, sir.
Correct. Mm, yeah. Any other news? I'm just thinking. Give
Sir,
leverage.
economical news I don't know, but today's big news is India and China came to a agreement to have the control in that actual line of LSE
Excellent.
in the BRICS
That's a good
meeting.
news. It is a
Yes,
very
sir.
good news. That is a current affair. But
Yes,
they want economic news.
yes, sir. That's why.
$1 billion scam victims face an uncertain future. I don't know what is that. Then ONGC BPCLI international partner for new refineries. That is the news.
Yes, sir.
ONGC
ONGC.
Greenfield Project Oil and Natural Gas Corporation.
Hmm.
Then a natural gas company or corporation. Then BPCL. They are eyeing for international
International
partners.
tie-up.
Yeah.
Bharat Petroleum and ONGC.
Better go through newspaper right from today till your interview so that
Okay, sir.
this question is asked, you need not worry. You will tell. In fact, when you go for the interview, you must
Yes.
have roughly five current affair news, out of which at least two, three must be economic, or otherwise 10 current affair news you have it, out of which two, three you have economics. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes. You have
Thank
done
you
well,
so much, sir.
and I wish you success.
Thank you, sir.